Thomas Aquinas, Summa Theologica, Episode 19. Necessardrium egetur fuit, praeter philosophicas disciplinas, quae per rationem investigantur, sacram doctrinam per revelationem haberi. If the language here sounds very familiar, it is because this is a near verbatim restatement of the original proposition. Therefore, necessarium fuit, it was necessary, in addition to the philosophical disciplines, that is, those things which are tracked down via reason, it was necessary that sacred doctrine, sacram doctrinam, be established or be considered through revelation, that it be had or that it be given, perhaps. This passive infinitive from the second conjugation verb habeo, habere, that is perhaps a little bit difficult to translate in this context. I don't think one wants to say it was necessary that it be had. That would be quite awkward. We might say it was necessary that sacred doctrine be established through revelation. Now, once again, as I've made this point before with Aquinas, the syntax generally and the grammar quite straightforward, even simple, uncomplicated, the meaning far more difficult. So we have the subject here, doctrinam, modified by sacram. I say it's the subject. Really what we should say is sacram doctrinam through haberi, with doctrinam the subject of the infinitive. This is the subject of fuit, necessarium is the predicate. So that sacred doctrine be established through revelation, this thing was necessary. And then we have some modification. First, a prepositional phrase, in addition to the philosophical disciplines, then a relative clause, which is modifying disciplinas.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.